Big bird. Finally, big bird. Big bird, boy. Finally. 4 years. And I fooled you. 4 years. You don't want none of me. Or that van. Look at the hooks. Oh my God. Good Lord. Well, guys, this here's Big Bird. We've been hunting Big Bird probably 3 years. This is the 4th year we've been hunting Big Bird. And Osceolas are notoriously tough, but any bird that's got a name is just double tough. I mean, it's hard to beat them. It's hard to fool them. We've been playing cat and mouse with this turkey for the last 3 years, and most of this season. It's late season right now. It's April 11th. The season ends on the 22nd. And I've hunted this bird. My partner Chester guides for me as well, and he's been hunting this bird. Half of Putnam County Hunting Club is slipping in there hunting this bird. We put clients on this bird. I mean, he is double tough. But that right there, Big Bird busted me this morning. He saw me fiddling with the camera, trying to get it set up and get tuned. And he went running from right to left, and as soon as he got in front of this fan, man, he locked her up, son. It was a done deal then. All I had to do was make the shot, and it was poked. It was, I reckon, 55 yards. It was a little further than I like to shoot them, but you know, this bird, I don't know what to say. I mean, I wasn't going to not shoot a Big Bird after we had tried to. We've just hunted this bird to pieces, and he's outsmarted us for 3.5 years. Done. Big Bird is grits. I mean, look at the hooks. That's over 1.5 inches. Beard on this bird, 11.5, 12 inches. Thank you, Lord.